Just another day of the same old, as the markets are nuts as ever. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, April the 15th. Should have been tax day, but of course we got that extension. In the meantime, this update is brought to you by our friends at Family Farms. They're our partners and friends, and of course our job is to try to help educate farmers to protect their crops, their equities, everything about money is what we're trying to help them do. And of course, today, if we look at the grain markets or in the livestock markets, they were not much higher. They were higher early. Now you see corn is dipping down, wheat's dipping down, soybeans are a little bit higher. And again, we're long across the board, but I suspect that there could be some changes coming. And in the meats, you've got cattle lower slightly, and you've got hogs under pressure. Now, again, remember where we came from and where we are. We are still, well, actually, I take that back. We're short cattle, both fats and feeders, and long hogs still. Mm-hmm. So that's where we are. But again, we're playing just the trends only and the price action, so we don't get too overly involved in any individual move or with an opinion for sure. Equities, Nasdaq's up over 200. Russell is down. Okay, well, we're long the Nasdaq and chart the Russell. That's good. And of course, we're long the Dow and the S&P, which are both higher as well, and they're both nicely higher. Dow up over 200, S&P up over 25. So that's the good part of what's going on. And of course, not everything is rosy, as they say. And crude oil, we are now long, which from where it was early this morning, it's in good shape because it is now higher on the day. It was lower. Lose my mind. Bonds and notes are exploding higher, and again, maybe the bond traders are throwing in the towel, or maybe there's some hidden fear. Nobody knows what the real story is, but in the meantime, they're going where they should be going because interest rates keep going down. So that's we're still short both bonds and notes. The dollar is flat, and the net gas is flat. Copper is exploding higher, and we are short. So it's up big the last couple of days, which is just showing us the wild consolidation pattern that we're seeing in the copper markets right now. So the big picture is murky. I could say clear, but it's clearly murky. Would be the way to describe it. There's a lot of stuff going on. The volume is very light, so this is not anything to get overly excited about in either direction. Okay, again, it's follow the trend, take the meat out of the move, and put yourself in the best position. The softs up across the board, and we are now long cotton. We are now long coffee. We are now long sugar. We are still short cocoa and still short OJ. So we'll see. Again, I don't get worried day to day. I don't even think about it because, again, gold and silver are exploding today. We're short them both. But, if we reverse, we'll reverse. We've been short since January 7th. So look back and take a look at the chart where it was and how much we're going to take out of this move either way, and not so bad. In the meantime, listen, don't forget our other partners. We have brokerage partners now. We have many brokers, but we have two partners that we prefer, and one is CTG Group, which handles all of our equities, all of our futures and commodities. And of course, they are the only ones who are authorized to handle a lot of direction. They've got wonderful customer service. They take care of you. They answer the phone. And of course, they've got some great managed futures products. You want to check them out. And of course, you can do so at info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And of course, Tradier for equities and options. $10 a month. That should be all I should have to say. But besides that, we've got APIs that we can automate your portfolio. It is not a requirement. You don't have to go to Tradier. But if you want automation, you do. But there is no cost to it. It is a free service that we offer as to our members if you choose to do so. And that is for our equity program. So I can't imagine passing that. And our commodity report written by Andy Hecht There is nothing like it in the industry anywhere. And it's one of the greatest values ever for $129 a month. Check it out. Go to technimental at BUBBATrading.com. And of course, you want to help us with our high school program, you can go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great trading day. And as I used to say on Hill Street Blues, be careful out there. It's a tough market to trade, very challenging. We'll see you all back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.